Hi everybody! Welcome to week 3 in Project Life of 2020. I'm using the DLS Scrap Kit called Adventure to document this week, and I'm starting off with making my weekly card. This time I'm going for a 4x6 card. I chose 2 of the design papers from the kit and I've cut them to size. It doesn't really matter that there are bits cut out of the bottom paper already, because I will overlap that part with the other paper. I'm using these great big number stamps by Kellie stamps and the golden alpha stickers that I've found at Hema recently. I want to add some washi tape to the card, but it's too wide, so I'm using my paper trimmer to cut it in half. The girls that I always use in the weekly cards come in several sizes, and because this is a bigger card, I feel like the bigger girl fits well. I'm adding some foam tape to the back for a bit of dimension on the card. Next up is this photo of a beautiful sunrise. I'm very happy that it's getting light again earlier and that it stays light longer. And right now I keep waking up with these gorgeous sunrises. To decorate the photo, I'm using some of the same design paper as I used in the week card, and I'm putting it across the full photo. I'm adding a label that says capture the moment, and that's really all that the photo needs. It's nice and easy. I'm going through the journaling cards to pick one for that empty pocket, but I can't really decide on one yet, so I'm working on the other photos on this page first. I was mixing crafting and work this week, which is always fun to do, so that had to be documented. I'm taking the two 3x4 photos and sticking them together with some washi tape so that they can be backed to the 4x6 card from the previous week. And I'm adding a strip of the design paper to these photos as well, similar to the one with the sunrise. I'm also using one of the DLS stamps that works well with this kit, and this one says "Document the story." I'm writing my journaling on a label, and that's 2 more photos documented for the week. I'm going through the journaling cards again, and this time I do pick one. And I'm documenting the week on this card. I'm just writing it by hand. And then I'm adding a little bit of washi tape to finish this card as well. The next photo shows a wall with a lot of frames, and my parents helped this week with putting up some new ones. It's the wall in my craft room, which is truly my happy place, so the sticker works perfectly. I'm adding some of the design paper and the label, and that's another one finished. And right as I started my last photo, my camera died. You can see in the close-up photos how that card turned out. I used a design paper as a background, added a silicone banner, and that was that card. Thank you for watching. Please give me a like and a comment if you liked the video, And please tag me on Instagram if I gave you inspiration for your own spreads, because I love to see those. See you in the next video. Bye!